Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Photos backup privacy settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Log in to your Google account, if prompted. Once on the main screen, tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. This will open your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Photos Settings. Next, scroll down and locate the Backup and Sync option. Tap on Backup and Sync to enter the backup settings. In this section, you will see the current backup. Look for the Backup Device Folders section. Here, you will find a list of folders that are set to backup. To adjust backup settings for any folder, tap on the folder name. You can enable or disable backing up for that specific folder. Return to the Backup and Sync section after making your changes. Now, locate the Privacy section within the Settings menu. Tap on Privacy. Here, you can manage who can view your photos and albums. Enable or disable options according to your privacy preferences. To finalize your settings, make sure to exit the menu. Your new privacy settings are now active. Consider reviewing these settings periodically to ensure they meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.